Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be covering Gainsight's acquisition of UpdateAI to bring AI-native customer intelligence to enterprise teams, OpenAI's confirmation of ongoing safety refinements to GPT 5.2 after launch, and Google DeepMind's latest stability update for Gemini 3. Let's start with some big news in the enterprise software space. Gainsight has announced that it has acquired UpdateAI, a company known for building AI agents that analyze meetings, accounts, and customer signals. This acquisition brings AI-native customer intelligence directly into Gainsight's platform, giving customer success and account teams a powerful new set of tools to work with. UpdateAI's product is already live and in production, and the company says it will remain operational as it gets integrated into Gainsight's broader ecosystem. For existing users, there are no immediate changes to pricing or access, which should make the transition pretty seamless. The core focus here is on generating insights from customer conversations automatically, so instead of manually reviewing call recordings or piecing together notes from different meetings, the AI handles that analysis and surfaces what matters most. Josh, the founder of UpdateAI, shared his thoughts on the acquisition, saying, quote, "This marks a new chapter in making AI a daily teammate for CS teams," end quote. That framing of AI as a teammate rather than just a tool reflects the direction a lot of enterprise software is heading. Customer success teams often juggle dozens or even hundreds of accounts, and having an AI agent that can track sentiment, flag risks, and identify opportunities across all those conversations is a significant capability boost. Moving on to OpenAI, the company has confirmed that it is actively tuning GPT 5.2 following its public release. This is an interesting look at how frontier models are managed after they go live. Rather than treating a launch as a finished product, OpenAI is treating it as the beginning of an ongoing refinement process. The adjustments being made focus primarily on reasoning depth and reducing hallucinations, which are two areas that users care deeply about when relying on these models for important tasks. The rollout pacing also differs depending on region and product tier, so not everyone is getting the same version at the same time. This allows OpenAI to evaluate how the model performs under real-world conditions with live traffic before expanding access further. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, commented on this approach, saying, quote, "We're continuing careful tuning as usage scales," end quote. The models affected include GPT 5.2 Thinking and GPT 5.2 Pro, both of which represent the more advanced tiers of the model family. This deploy, observe, and refine strategy acknowledges that even the most rigorous pre-launch testing cannot fully replicate the diversity of use cases that emerge once millions of people start using a model. By watching how the model behaves in production and making targeted improvements, OpenAI can address issues faster and more effectively than if they waited for a major version update. Now over to Google DeepMind, which pushed a backend update to its Gemini 3 models earlier this week. This update focuses on production stability, rather than introducing new capabilities, which might sound less exciting on the surface but is actually quite important for anyone relying on these models in their daily work. The improvements target latency, meaning how quickly the model responds, and tool calling reliability, which refers to how well the model executes actions when connected to other software and services. If you have ever used an AI assistant that can check your calendar, send emails, or pull data from other apps, that is tool calling in action. Making those interactions more reliable means fewer errors and a smoother overall experience. The update affects both Gemini 3 Pro and Gemini 3 Deep Think, and it has been rolled out across Google Workspace and the Gemini app. A Google DeepMind spokesperson explained the rationale, saying, quote, "This update prioritizes consistency at scale," end quote. There is no change to public model naming, so users will not see anything different on their end, but the underlying infrastructure is now more robust. This focus on reliability and latency reflects a broader shift in how AI companies are competing. When multiple companies have highly capable models, the differentiator often comes down to how well those models perform in production environments, how fast they respond, and how consistently they deliver results. Google clearly recognizes that and is investing in making Gemini 3 as dependable as possible for the millions of people using it every day.
Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.